Yeah, dear students, today we are going to discuss the remaining concepts from the third lesson charts in Excel, that are change data and range in a chart. Next, change data and text in a chart, delete data and text in a chart, and interchanging axes. Right. So let's we see that first one, change data and range in a chart. So I'm going to open here Excel file. You can see here on this Excel file, based on this data, I have inserted one column chart. So here our concept is change data and range in a chart. So click on the chart, then you will get the design tab. Click on the design tab. Under the design tab, you can see there is an option select data. Click on the select data option. Then you will get the select data source dialog box appear. And here you can see the left side 7001 Raju A, 7002 Krish B, like that. Students' roll numbers and their name and their sections list is given. Okay, and here right side you can see English, Hindi, Marathi, Math, Science, SST total and their subjects given. And here from this list, if you don't want to see the students data series like 7001 and 7002, you don't want to see this both the students data series on the chart, so you can disable and you can click OK. Then when I disable and when I click OK, here you can see on the chart, so there is no data series of the 7001 and 7002. Here only 7003, 7004, 7005, their data series is displayed over here. You can see 1 2 3, so only 3 students data series is displayed. Again, if you want to bring it back, you can click on the select data option and you can enable this and you can click OK. Again their data series also will be displayed. Okay, then here there is one more column, that is subjects column. Even if you don't want to see the data series of these languages or only one column or one subject, you can disable those subjects and those subjects data series will be hide. Click OK. You can see there is no English, Hindi, Marathi subjects data series, only Math, Science, SST total. This data series is displayed. So in this manner, by using this select data option, whatever the subjects data series you want to see or whoever the data series you want to see, by selecting or by deselecting, you can see their data series and their chart. Okay, so then the next concept is change data and text in a chart. Change data and text in a chart. See, so here 7001 Raju section A and his English marks is 52, Hindi 78, and English to SST their marks is given. Okay, so here Raju. So Raju's marks are, you can see here, English, Hindi, Marathi, Maths, Science, SST and total. So if I change the marks of English subjects here I am going to keep 10, press enter. Then you observe here English data series is decreased, and here even total also will be decreased. Again, if I select this Hindi, Hindi data series, if I change 78 to 98, then you see the data series is increased. So in this manner, whenever you are changing data from the Excel sheet, the changes will be happened on the chart. You can see here, whenever I am changing, the data series is changing. So in this manner, you can change the data and the same changes will be appeared on chart. You can able to observe here I'm changing again and the same changes are happening on the chart. Right. This is about change data and text in a chart. Next, delete data and text in a chart. If suppose if I delete the marks of the uh, Raju, like English, Hindi, Marathi, Math, Science. Or if I delete English, Hindi, you can see English and Hindi data series is not displayed here. If I delete this all, complete in all the subjects data series of Raju, then I cannot able to see the Raju data series here, right? So to go backward, you can press Ctrl Z. So now that Raju data series is came back. Okay, even if you delete this, uh, Lishant all subjects marks, you can able to see. So Lishant all subjects data series is displayed. So I do not delete their roll number and their name and their section. Only the marks I deleted. So when I delete the marks and their data series also deleted from the chart. Okay. So if I delete their name, roll number, section and the complete data, then you can see Lishant name is not there here and name also disappeared, and here their data series also disappeared. Control Z to go back. Okay, so in this manner you can delete whenever you are deleting the data also will the data series also will be deleted from the chart that we have discussed now. Next, interchanging access. Interchanging access means when we select the switch row or switch column option under the design tab, x-axis is going to become a legend and legend becoming a x-axis. So let's we check here. Here you see this is legend and this is x-axis. So when I click design tab, I can able to see here switch row or switch column. If I click switch row or switch column option, this x-axis will becoming a legend and this legend will becoming an x-axis. Check. Now you can observe. So before it was an x-axis, English, Hindi, Marathi, Math, Science, SST. This is an x-axis and this is a legend. These both are interchanged. So here you can click again it will be changed. So this switch row or column option is used to exchanging the access, interchanging the access. So are you observe this? Right. So these are the four concepts. So with these four concepts, we have completed our third lesson. And in the previous classes, I have explained these creating charts, change chart style, change chart type, and move chart. And these four concepts, I made it one video and uploaded in Google Classroom. And this fifth one, advantages of charts, components of charts, and types of charts. These three concepts, I made it one more video. And this eighth concept, formatting chart components, this I made it third video. So these all videos you can download it. You can download from the Google Classroom. So here I'll show you my Google Classroom. So on this Google Classroom also you can check it. For example, for 7th B, you can click on 7th B, click on classwork, and here you can see charts in Excel, videos of lesson 3. And here on 3 videos I have uploaded, and this video also I am going to upload. You can download from the Google Classroom. Hope you have understood these all concepts. Thank you.